There are two main types of cabinet construction in the kitchen and bath industry: framed versus frameless. And our cabinet maker offers both. When you choose a cabinet style, it can be a personal preference, or one may fit better with the style of your home. However, there are distinct differences you should know about. Framed cabinetry, also known as face frame cabinetry, relies on a 3/4 inch thick solid wood frame for stability. This is typically attached to the face of a 1/2 inch or a 3/4 inch plywood box. Full overlay framed cabinets have doors that cover almost the entire cabinet frame, providing a sleek, modern look. Inset cabinets, on the other hand, have doors that fit inside the frame, offering a classic custom appearance, but typically at a higher cost and with slightly less storage space. Frameless cabinetry eliminates the face frame. Sometimes referred to as European or full access, it offers greater accessibility by eliminating the face frame. Frameless relies on its thicker 3/4 inch sides, top and bottom, for stability. Side by side, you can really see the difference in storage capacity. The frameless drawers are taller and wider. The shelf area is wider on the frameless, and the shelf comes all the way to the front of the cabinet. This is what I mean when I talk about accessibility to whatever you put inside. Unless you would prefer a special style, we recommend frameless cabinetry 99% of the time. If you want more storage and easier access to things inside your cabinets, then frameless cabinets are the way to go. What style cabinet do you like the best? Which style would you want in your kitchen? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below this video.